Okay, we're working on this 2015 Kia Soul. In this video we're going to be replacing the shock struts on the hatch here. And if you've ever been going to get groceries and had this thing falling down on you and having to hold it up while you're trying to get stuff out of it, you know exactly what I mean. And here are the struts we're going to be using, and they simply snap on. And to be able to pop these off, we have to get a pick tool or something and pull up on this clip here, or a small screwdriver. So we can lift this and it'll immediately fall down if you're not holding it. It's not holding it a bit. Okay, luckily I've got this board here to kind of help hold this up. However, I am going to have to still be cautious. Okay, I'm going to start down at the bottom. I just got this little pick tool. Okay, so I'm down at the bottom. I'm just going to try to dig that underneath there. And I want to pull it. Pulling it off is fine, but mainly it just needs to pull up. So I need to be careful when popping this out so this board doesn't fall. Okay. And you can see it just has this little ball that just pops in there. Okay, now we just got to get the top loose here. Okay, and I didn't even pop that one off completely. And it doesn't matter which one goes on which side, so we're going to go ahead and get one of our new ones. And we'll go ahead and get it started up at the top. And you can do a quick comparison, and you see these are the same length. Okay, so we'll pop the big end on. That easy. Okay, for this one I'm actually going to have to lift this up as far as I can get it. And so I'm going to have to remove my board here. Alright, so I'm having to hold this with one hand. And just have to push it until it goes. Alright, it's giving me some trouble. There we go. Alright, so now we'll go support this side, and we'll get on the other one there and do the same thing. There's something I was going to mention. You see how this pretty much is a straight up that it has to hold it, so it takes a lot to hold these up. Okay, and there we have both sides on. As you can see, it's holding the hatch up very well now. So it takes quite a bit of force to push it down, but it's raising it up nicely there. Alright, so a real simple fix on replacing these rear struts on this hatch. I believe it was only like $20. So that's going to do it for the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.